by the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. I would like now to invite our Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Ben Calvert, to speak. Please be seated.
Dr. Ben Calvert-Dewey is Ganhellor, Prifysgol de Cymru. Anrhyderus Ganhellor, Anoel Gyfeithlion. Croeso mawr I chi gyd. Chancellor, graduands, honoured guests, congregation. Mae heddi in amser I dathlu llwyddiant. Today is an important day for many reasons. It is a chance to celebrate your achievements with your family and friends, to bring a symbolic close to your endeavours to achieve your qualifications, and for us as a university to welcome you into our community of graduates. Croeso in cymuned o raddodigion. We are always immensely proud to do that, and each year this is the day that we all look forward to the most. The last couple of years have been different, with our day-to-day routines and interactions turned on their heads. Our ability to be human to our fullest extent, to see each other and share the joys and challenges of our personal journeys has been stressed and tested. Throughout that time, we endeavoured to be a source of constancy when so much else was uncertain. We gave each other structure, classes to attend, even if they were taking place virtually, schedules and deadlines to meet, assignments to hand in, exams to take, achievements and heights to reach. A reason to keep going and move forwards. We were able to do this because our roots as a university are strong in our purpose to prepare you for the world outside the walls of our campuses and to give you opportunity. And since the establishment of our founding institution in the 1860s here in the city of Newport, to use education to help solve the scientific and social challenges of the day. With a constant purpose, this university has prospered through periods of significant social change, periods of global conflict, and now a global pandemic. And through that, we've added to the ability of our region, our nation, and our international community to remain resilient and prosper because of the talent that we produce and the research that we undertake, in partnership and with a purpose to change our lives and world for the better. There's no denying that your story of university life has been different. It may not have always been what we collectively expected or even wished for. It's certainly been memorable, and you did it. You completed your awards in perhaps the most difficult circumstances experienced by any graduates for many years, and that is an amazing testament to your tenacity, resilience, and your ability. Diolch I chi am ei gwaith caled ac yn roddiad. And it is those qualities and qualifications that you're now taking into your own careers and your own lives. You are making your own mark on the world, like thousands of USW graduates who have come before you. Across the world, there are graduates of your USW leading businesses and being experts in their professions. As I start this ceremony in this amazing venue, I'd like you to remember three things. Firstly, today is your chance to celebrate your achievements, so make sure you do it and do it well. Secondly, your achievement is down to your hard work and your tenacity. And finally, we're incredibly proud of you. For people who are sat behind you and up there in the gods, you also have a role to play today. When your son or your daughter, your friend, your colleague, your partner walks across that stage, your job is to make them feel incredibly proud. You can do that in a number of ways. You can do it by clapping very, very loudly. You can do it by whistling. You can do it by calling their name. All of those things are entirely acceptable and in fact desirable. We've got a very large hall to fill here, so I suggest we have a go at it first. So if you don't mind, by the way, I have assessed the last 2 graduation ceremonies and given marks. So after 3, practice. 1, 2, 3. After a very long day, I think that's probably about the best effort we've had, so well done. Back to our graduates, well done you. Diolch chi, diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.
Gadewch iddo ffod yn hysbys, i aelodau Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yma'n bresennol ac yn hel y cynulliaid o Brifysgol Di Cymru yn Ninas Casnewydd a y Genefed o Nefaf 2022. Heddiw, anwydethion, ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi drwy y diliasrwydd a hymdrech ysgolheigiaid y bod y gymwys i gael y derbyn a gyffagrafau ac ymysterau Brifysgol. Drwy anwydethu y curiad, gadewch i reini sydd yma'n bresennol i gydnabod y hymwiriad a dathlu y chwydant. Bysod yn un gobeithio'n a'n disgwyliadau ydynt gan obeithio y bwyddant yn rwy y talentau disg gebon i proffesiwn a'n cymunedau. Hyderyn y bwyddant i cyffraniaeth ffydoddol yn cymdeithiais gydag anwydethiad y clod. Let it be known by members of the University and all here present that the congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Newport on the 20th day of July 2022. Today, we honour scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they have been qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honouring their achievement, let all here present recognise their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honour and distinction.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Computing Engineering and Science candidates that have been awarded the Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a programme of work entitled Novel NIR Endoscopic Techniques for Medical Imaging, an investigation considering both LED and laser excitation sources, carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Kang Lee and Dr. Ali Ruler, Faculty of Computing Engineering and Science, Angharad Curtis. In recognition of a programme of work entitled An Investigation of the Impact of Pre-Treatments of the Anaerobic Degradability of Commercial Polymer Films, carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Sandra Estevez, Dr. Tim Patterson and Mr. Desmond Devlin, Faculty of Computing Engineering and Science, Adam John Henley. In recognition of a programme of work entitled Coinage Metal Complexes Bearing Mono-Supported Borohydride Ligands Based on Scorpionate Scaffolds, was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Gareth Owen, Dr. Susanna Keane and Dr. Natasha Gallia, Faculty of Computing Engineering and Science, Simon Thomas. The Master of Science by Research in recognition of a programme of work entitled An Assessment into the Issues Created by Surface Water Flooding within the Rhondda Cynon Taf County Borough in Wales, under the direction and supervision of Dr Anthony Harris, Dr Angela Morris and Dr Malcolm Thomas, Faculty of Computing Engineering and Science, and also in collaboration with Rhondda Cynon Taf County Borough Council, Joseph Taylor. The Master of Science in Aeronautical Engineering, William Blackie. Babitha Poulos. Ali Ahmed Suhaib. The Master of Science in Aviation Engineering and Management, Joseph Andrew Gavin Brito. Chamod Dilushan Jayantha Dalahagama Arachige. Manish Satija. Nur Hafifi Aisha Zainal. The Master of Science in Electronics and Information Technology, Chukwudi Emmanuel Alioha. Anina Joseph. The Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering, Alexander Lewandowski. Sandra Rinninger. Stefan Selva. Maximilian Vetter. Miriam Weingartner. Lucas Philip Wisman. The Master of Science in Mobile and Satellite Communications, Mohammed Usman Khan. The Master of Science in Renewable Energy and Sustainable Technology, Arnold Nfongang Abang. Usman Ali. Wadud Ali Khan. Tapash Mazumda. Mohammed Razu Mia. Nitai Chandra Mondal. Jose Maria Soto Rivera. Athira Avindan Vasuthakat. The Integrated Master of Engineering in Aeronautical Engineering, Rhys Michael John Morgan. Sean Walters. The Integrated Master of Engineering in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Raphael Bourne. Matthias Gibiak. The Bachelor of Engineering in Aeronautical Engineering, Faisal Al-Hamad. Pitura Diwan. Amari Malik ASW Ebin. Cameron Gauchi. Matthew Gibbs. Eric Afzal Ismail Giva. Farah Jafar. Nacha Lethongam. Carlton Justice Liaru. Salim Ramadani Maulidi. Peter Phillips. Omesh Thaviska Pereira Rana Singh Arachige. Walid Ahmad Said. Gudjon Thorbjornsen. The Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Eugenie Aurel Evrard Bedahoun. Petros Boutsis. Chuk Hang Chu. Ryan Crandon. Jack Doolan. Imtiaz Khan. Samuel Reid. Joel Rudikov Davis. Mohammed Shahab. The Bachelor of Engineering and Mechanical Engineering, Abdullah Mohammed Abdullah. Hongqian Chen. Michael John Cook. Ahmed Abdul Hakim Ragab Ewatida. Harry William Griffiths. Owen Harris. Shiyu Lin. Joshua Peter Page. John Thomas. Jordan Van Prague. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Engineering and Maintenance Systems, Chanaka Dilshan Abigunawadana. Sadia Afrin. Tofail Ahmed. Abu Sharaf Ashrafi. Ahmed Sharif Ahmed Barmatraf. Maisie Bailey. Anika Feiroz Zahin. Saravana Ganison. Mostahid Hassanul Ghani. Mohammed Tanvir Hussain. Noor Emilia Binti Ismail. Mohammed Iziraf Hakim bin Izzuddin. Astan Ruhi Mohammed Malik. Ahmed Fake Nausath Mohammed Sali Nausath. Kishore Mutholi. Mohammed Nafis Mohammed Nizamdeen. Mohammed Nahyan. Mazen Salah Naji Noman. Jayawira Mahupu Arichige Pranith Samindu Pereira. Vishnu Ramesh. Rishitha Sachithana Ranaluj Fonseca. Mohammed Shakuran. Arman Shah Shakawi. Philip Wally. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, Maged Alissa. Rashid Al-Sharif. Mohammed Eshag Mohammed Baket. Avinash Balakulasingham. Charles Vinuj Bastiampul. Timothy Andrew Bird. Ethan Bradshaw. Prabjot Chana. Chet Chanafai. Stephen Clyde. Max Conway. Kyle Davis. Daniel Davison. Tirerai Michael Deluni. Dale Evans. Athanayaka Rishika Nishal Fernando. Chaturanga DBG Mudi Yansalage. Aliyu Saidu Gambo. Ross Giles. Achira Randula Harishchandra. Tristan Hillier. Nicholas Hocking. Mason James Hollinshead. Naeem Hussain. Pravesh Vijay Kumar Jaiswal. Karwan Jawad. Chris Jones. Harsh Deepak Makwana. Malachi Joseph Migoff. Georgia McGuigan. Mohammed Ali Mirzo. Salah Edin Ali Mirzo. Albara Mohammed. Daya Heldian Momedzaim. Nimshan Nilantha Pereira Moragoda Arachige. Ellie Morris. Mahmood Mustafa. Viraj Tharuka Bandara Mudiansege. Farman Nazir Mullah. Morgan Nichols. Mohammed Nabil Zikri bin Omabawi. Izira Iltizami Osman. Hanisha Patel. Vishal Rao Patri. Alexander Phipps. Max Elliott Pritchard. Atikur Rahman. Bradley Reeve. Alan Ryan Rodriguez. Charlie Smith. Errol Sukuoglu. Yassine Abdallah Ahmed Tamoni. Nathan Valenti. Benjamin Walker. Zhu Yi. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, Dubai, Andy Mikhail Wilfred Agricole. The Bachelor of Science in Animal Health and Welfare, Coleg Gwent, Ask Megan Davis. Ellie Hennessy. Danielle Taylor. The Bachelor of Science in Biology, Taylor Page Gerish. Eva Vlada Gomulchika. Nathan Jenkins. Tom McNeil. Kira Pierce. Cameron James Thompson.
Fy newn ni nawr glywed dataganiad cyfderol gan fyfyrwyr o Coleg Brenhinol Cerdded Drama Cymru. We now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. Yn perfformio ar ein cyfan ni heddiw mai the Royal Welsh Wind Quintet. Y byddant yn chwarae Fest Fanfare and Abermedley. Raddedigion, gwesteion, graduates, honoured guests, congregation, please give a warm welcome to the Royal Welsh Wind Quintet.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Bachelor of Science in Chemistry, Arvon Carhart. Joseph Criddle. Jack William Dumond. Isa Moreb. Tala Moreb. Jonathan Powell. Harry Summers. Jack Wingrave. The Bachelor of Science in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Kelsey Jo Barrett. Jamie Bird. Michael Briggs. Kelvin Awele Chukwuwike. Valentine Emeka Enete. Sean Exon. Michael Hicks. Gareth Hughes. Ryan Jones. William Jones. Thomas Jukes. Diljo Kidangath Viju. William Korb. Tyler Lewis. Connor Mahoney. Andrew Owens. James Parks. Alicia Price. Sam Scott Morgan. Chloe Emma Thomas. Andrew Watkins. The Bachelor of Science in Engineering Technology Management, Samuel Richard Childs. Benjamin Hetrick. The Bachelor of Science in Geography, Toby Colley. Morgan Lloyd Evans. Leah Golding. Ellis Cloyd Greenhalgh Jenkins. William Griffiths. Stephen Stone. Katie Rhiannon Waters. Rhys Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Geology, Fatima Saeed Saif Al-Mamari. Shumus Al-Matrouk. Adam Carter. Kellen Edwards. Amy Franklin. Aidan Gamble. Joseph Patrick Massey. Michael McCarthy. Daniel Robert Tansley. Catherine Tate. Emily Louise Waring. The Bachelor of Science in Geology and Physical Geography, Lily Gilby. Catherine Hill. Verity McClure. Stella Rosenwyn Mitchell. Jeanette Williams. Lewis John Richard Wyatt. The Bachelor of Science in Human Biology, Imogen Ann Ash. Daniel Joseph Burden. Neve Samantha Fish. Vanessa Fowler. Bethan James. Savannah Rose Preedham. Benjamin Ray Welling. The Bachelor of Science in International Wildlife Biology, Lily Iris Clark. Victoria Kanachi. Kira Everett. Katie Rose Alice Halford. Caitlin Mary Jones. Elliot Martin. Megan Nichols. Cameron Park. Harriet Grace Redgard. Nageli Bridget Rubio. Kaylin Molly Sewell. Rachma Sunya Krishna Subramanian. Evan Sutcliffe. Owen Thomas. Nia Thompson. Lauren Valentine. The Bachelor of Science in Lighting Design and Technology, Bradley Ellis. Tiffany Faraday. The Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, Jack Dacey. Jonathan Scott Evans. Keelan John Gallagher. Amy Lane. David Norman. Neil Owen. Luis Rodriguez. Rhys Samuel. Jason Paul Scott. Robin Stank. Carwyn Thomas. Gary Wetton. The Bachelor of Science in Medical Sciences, Julia Bieniak. Gemma Louise Clark. Rodrigo Miguel da Corte Rodriguez. Tiago Felipe da Silva Miguel. Jack Ridge Hamilton. Rebecca Hunt. Ari Jadhav. Fatima Akhtar Khanom. Laura Simplicia Matos Delgado. Aurora Oliveira Nunes. Daniel William Osborne. Thomas Pierce. Holly Marie Reid. Amrita Kaur Sidhu. Matilda Souza. Carla Raquel Vasconcelos Freitas. The Bachelor of Science in Medicinal and Biological Chemistry, Ritha Nair Asirajan. Holly Louise Chapman. Rachel Gordon. The Bachelor of Science in Natural History, Dora Demock. Dean Fairfield. Alice Fry. Harry Green Longin. Chloe Halliday. Rhys Lewis Allen. Pro-Chancellor, the next award is to be given posthumously. Would the congregation please stand? The award is to Lewis Lloyd Isaac, and Lewis's mum and dad are here and will accept the award from the Pro-Chancellor. So may I present the Bachelor of Science in Natural History to Lewis Lloyd Isaac. Thank you. Would the congregation please sit? Thank you. Pro-Chancellor, the Bachelor of Science in Natural History and Media, Holly Anne-Marie Brown. Annika Emery. Adam Joseph Jones. Charlotte Emily Kennedy. The Bachelor of Science in Pharmaceutical Science, Mohammed Yusuf A. Al-Fria. Claudia Kubina. Bethany Jane Stearman Taylor. Jingyi Tan. The Bachelor of Science in Semiconductor Technologies, Grant Barkley. Craig Hunt. Robert Millenship. The Bachelor of Science in Sound and Live Event Production, Sebastian Cox. Dylan Jones. Griffith David Kubiak. Callum John Lewis. Stuart Pomeroy. Tyler Rees Vaughan. Abigail Wilshie. Ashley Thomas Warden. The Bachelor of Science in Veterinary Nursing, Coleg Gwent Ask, Annabel Jones. Charlie Ann McClagish. Caris Weaver. The Foundation Degree in Science in Animal Health and Welfare, Coleg Gwent Ask, Amy Hart. Keris Hicks. Beth Jones. Sydney Jones. Morgan Partridge. William Spencer. The Foundation Degree in Science in Veterinary Nursing, Coleg Gwent Ask, Courtney Bradbury. Kerry Bergic. Morgan Field. Sarah Holden. Courtney Jackson. Gemma Keelahar. Samantha McCauley. Rebecca Park. Katie Powell. Katie Rawlins. Amy Reeves. Claire Sayer. Alexandra Slack. Sophie Tarr. The Higher National Diploma in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Richard Inson. Daniel David John Price. Shania Williams. The Higher National Certificate in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Geraint Morgan. The Higher National Certificate in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Coleg y Cymoedd Nant Garw, Nathan James Curry. Lewis Daniel Williams. The Higher National Certificate in Mechanical Engineering, Christian Morris. Jared Morrissey. Kieran Morrissey. Arjandeep Singh. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, Mazamil Ahmed Mir. The Master of Science in Aeronautical Engineering, Zafir Hamid. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Engineering and Maintenance Systems, Gurjit Kaur Chima. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, Timothy Ankunda. The Master of Science in Aviation Engineering and Management, Hamad Salim. The Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering, David George. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, Achira Randula Harris Chandra. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, Mohammed Adil Azraf. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, Chetan Tanda. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, Mohammed Tayyab Abbasi. The Master of Science in Aeronautical Engineering, Mohammed Wazim Khan Mohammed Ali Khan. The Master of Science in Electronics, Imtiaz Ahmed Prabal. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, Mohammed Mahey. Pro-Chancellor, Congregation, I would now like to welcome to the stage Jasmine Curtis from the Royal College of Veterinary Surgeons, who will take our veterinary nursing graduates through their professional declaration, which is a requirement to join the Register of Veterinary Nurses.
It is a great pleasure and honour to be here with you today, celebrating your graduation, leading you through your declaration to join the RCVS Register of Veterinary Nurses and admitting you as associate members of the college. The title of veterinary nurse is one to be proud of. Although veterinary nursing is a relatively young profession, it has come a long way since the original scheme of the Registered Animal Nursing Auxiliaries, which was introduced back in 1961. You are joining our profession during an unprecedented period of positive change and growth. Please be proactive and engage with our profession. Be the catalyst of the changes you want and instrumental in shaping our future. Anything is possible. The work you have undertaken to get here today should not be underestimated. Along the way, you've passed numerous examinations, assignments, OSCEs, and completed the RCVS Day 1 skills for veterinary nurses. This is truly outstanding, and you should be extremely proud. Now it's time to reap the rewards and savour the results of all that hard work. Today is a monumentous day with your admission to the RCVS Register of Veterinary Nurses, allowing you to legally practice as a veterinary nurse, abiding by the VN Code of Professional Conduct as an accountable professional. As veterinary nurses, you are an essential part of the veterinary team, working alongside your colleagues to ensure the health and welfare of your patients. You will make a positive difference on every shift you work. Don't ever forget that. I will now ask you to make your declaration, so if you can please repeat as a group each line after me. I promise and solemnly declare that I will pursue the work of my profession with integrity, and accept my responsibilities to the public, my clients, the profession, and the Royal College of Veterinary Surgeons. And that above all, my constant endeavour will be to ensure the health and welfare of animals committed to my care. So in the name of the Council of the Royal College of Veterinary Surgeons, and by virtue of the power conferred upon them by the Royal Charter and by Act of Parliament, I do hereby admit you as associates of the said Royal College, and by the same virtue do confer upon you the right to be styled as registered veterinary nurses, and to be known and deemed and recognised henceforth as duly qualified members of the veterinary nursing profession. I congratulate you all on becoming qualified registered veterinary nurses and wish you satisfying and challenging careers. Well done.
Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. Thank you.
Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and most importantly, graduates. Graduation is always an occasion for very formal academic ceremony. But more significantly, perhaps, for all of you in the audience, it is a moment of great pride. Indeed, for parents, partners, and friends here today, it is also a moment of great emotion. Everyone on this stage shares your pride in our new graduates' success. I would also like to take a moment to recognise that our graduates did not achieve this success entirely alone. Sitting in the audience today are the people who they relied upon implicitly for support, encouragement and understanding as they tackled the challenges of their degree in what can only be described as unprecedented times. So I am sure that you will agree with me when I say they deserve a warm round of applause. For each and every one of us on the stage today, this is a high point in the university year. I want to pay tribute to the nearly 3,000 staff of this great university. They too have played their part in teaching, mentoring, feeding, supporting, counselling, encouraging, and occasionally chivying, I suspect. Bringing about student success is what my colleagues are all about. Therefore, I believe that they too deserve our acknowledgement of and appreciation for the part they played. However, primarily today is a celebration of you, our new graduates, and your achievements. We know from long experience that the higher education this university provides is highly valued by employers, and the university's success in fitting its students for the world of work is justifiably a source of gratification. However, we are equally proud of our impact in transforming individual lives through education, training, and knowledge. We strongly believe that USW nurtures citizens who, as they go out into the world, can and will play a constructive role in public life. You have the ability to think critically, to subject assertions to robust analysis, to explore difficult or contentious issues in an atmosphere of respect and positive expectation. Crucial skills in any walk of life. You also have amazing resilience and commitment to have studied and achieved throughout a global pandemic, which altered our lives in so many ways. These are timeless values. They're fundamental to USW. We hope that they now are your values as scholars and graduates of our university. All of you, as alumni of the University of South Wales, are now ambassadors, both for the university itself and for what we strive to achieve. Well done, all of you, and our warmest, best wishes go with you for your continued success. Thank you. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed. I now invite you all to stand for the national anthem.